Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can outline like an image on Canva. So I'm just going to type in flower here, and I'm just going to go to photos, and I'm going to select, for instance, the sunflower. I'm also going to change the background so you guys can see a little bit better. Select the image and select edit. Then you are going to select the shadows option. Select outline. Make sure the intensity is at 100%. You can also adjust the size. Then you're going to color it white for that sticker outline look. That is it. Look how simple it is to add a white outline on your pictures. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.